It's me. I just wanna play house with ya, map out different money routes with ya, then add Ari out with ya. I just wanna fight with ya, then go home and have makeup sex all night, take flight with ya. I wanna heal with ya, feel with ya, invest and build with ya. Shit, I'm tryna roll down the hill with ya. We run right back up, take a ride on the Rita bus just for the fuck of it. Chalky walks under the sun and shit. Misbelieve trees gather the fruit and a few seeds. We know how to make a garden from a few leaves. Lunch on the levee, got your head on my belly. I wanna grease your scalp for you while we watching belly. I wanna travel across the seas, babe, just you and me. See sights, exploding spice, sex in places we never seen. Make love out in Giza, fucking to the astral plane. Free range in our membrane, we gon' make our own lane. I just wanna write with ya, studio sessions all night with ya. Pinky and the brain up on the mic, nigga, taking over, starting home. Born with a stunning bone, that's that New Orleans grown. Jazzy flavor serotonin, Cafe Du Monde stops 5 in the morning. After you had me splashing on that dick like it was waterboarding. I wanna chill and gaze at a storm with ya out the window, sipping hot tea. Love elixir, get food delivered, whatever we have an itch for. I wanna sit atop the tallest tower with you. Share our greatest ambitions, expand cognition. Dance with friction, skin to skin, and silk sheets. Super duper slippery, sliding in and out of me. Scented all burning sex aromatherapy. How therapeutic the beauty of love could be. I wanna love you as much as I love me. Kisses so sweet under a magnolia tree. L is for the love you enchant from me. O is for the obsession of our love daydreams. V for visual presentations of sexual altercations. E for each heartbeat in sync with the rhythm of you and me. Baby, something is great, can't be misplaced, will be remembered, always embraced.